Hello, welcome everyone. This video is about one of the properties of derivatives called the power rule of derivatives. We apply usually this kind of property to one-term expressions such as x raised to some power n. And when we take the derivative of this expression, what we do is we bring that power to the front times x to the n minus 1. We take 1 away from that exponent. So if we have something like x to the n and we want to apply that property, the power rule of derivatives to this, we bring this n to the front and then we have x raised to the n minus 1. We subtract 1 from n. Now n could be anything between negative infinity to positive infinity. So this is the domain or the range of the n. N could be anywhere between that, except we don't use 0. It cannot be equal to 0, because if we plug in 0 for n, we're just going to get a constant there, like for instead of variable. So if we have x to the 0, it's just 1. So x could be any value, but if we raise it to 0th power, it's just going to become 1. So that's why we do not use this 0. So it could be anything between negative infinity to positive infinity except 0. So I'm going to put some range of values. Negative 5, negative 4, could be positive 10, positive 3. It could be square root of 3, could be square root of 5 over 2. So just a fraction, 5 over 2. So it could be any of these values. And then of course it could be pi, could be e, could be ln of anything, 2. These are some possible values that the value n can take on. So except 0, we don't put 0 there. So let's go ahead and solve some of the problems using the power rule of derivatives then. So we have x to the e. We want to take the derivative of x to the e. Okay, we are going to use this property. So e is the exponent, it comes to the front, then it multiplies with x, and then we subtract 1 from e. So your final answer would be e, x to the e minus 1. Alright, let's work out another example. So we have x raised to the natural log of 5. So we want to take the derivative of this expression, x raised to the ln of 5. Okay, now applying the power rule property, this exponent, which is this term right here, comes to the front, ln of 5. Then it multiplies with this x term. And then we have ln of 5 and we subtract 1 from it. So you have ln of 5, x to the ln of 5 minus 1. So this is your final answer. And this would be the end of this short video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and so you can get updated to most recent videos that I upload. And thank you for watching.